This message contains sensitive and confidential material. Viewing of this material shall only be conducted by authorized personnel. In recent days, two disappearances took place in Finn County, California, with no viable evidence tying to the victim. The victims involved were 13-year-old Scott Birmingham, along with 9-year-old Richie Birmingham. However, after an unrelated traffic stop on S-95, a small shed was located half a mile from the highway. Inside of the shed was a fridge containing a piece of meat. After testing, it was confirmed to be part of a human torso. However, the manner of the edges suggests that it was bitten off, not dissected or directly torn apart. After more extensive testing, it was found that the torso part contained a recently discovered pathogen. It was also confirmed that the torso belonged to Richie Birmingham. Do you